Notion and ClickUp are two of the most popular productivity and project management tools, offering powerful features for organizing tasks, notes, and team collaboration. While both platforms help users stay organized, they have different strengths, making one better suited for certain users over the other. Notion is a versatile all-in-one workspace designed for note-taking, document management, and lightweight task tracking. It allows users to create custom databases, to-do lists, and wikis, making it ideal for personal productivity, content creators, and small teams. Notion's biggest strength is its flexibility. Users can build their own custom layouts, templates, and workspaces. However, it lacks advanced project management tools like automation and time tracking, making it less ideal for large teams managing complex workflows. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a feature-rich project management tool built for teams that need task tracking, collaboration, and automation. It offers multiple task views, like Kanban, list, and calendar, goal tracking, time tracking, and integrations with other tools. ClickUp is great for businesses, remote teams, and project managers who need a structured way to manage work. However, because of its vast features, it has a steeper learning curve, and some users may find it overwhelming. Now, let's compare them side by side. Ease of use. Notion is simpler and more intuitive for individuals and small teams, while ClickUp has a learning curve but offers more power for structured project management. For simplicity, Notion wins. Features. ClickUp has better task management tools, including automation, dependencies, and workload tracking. Notion is more flexible for note-taking and documentation, but lacks automation. For project management, ClickUp is the better choice. Customization. Notion is highly customizable, letting users build workspaces from scratch, while ClickUp provides more structured tools. For flexibility, Notion wins. Collaboration. ClickUp is built for team productivity, offering team chat, assignments, and workflow tracking. Notion allows collaboration, but is more focused on knowledge management than task execution. For team collaboration, ClickUp is the stronger choice. So which one is the better choice? If you need a highly customizable tool for note-taking, personal organization, and small team collaboration, Notion is the best option. But if you need a full-featured project management system with automation, tracking, and structured workflows, ClickUp is the smarter choice. The best platform depends on whether you prioritize flexibility or advanced task management.